cold. I thought it was gonna be bone dry for a second because it wasn't coming out. You could just open this one right here. Just check this one.
Check it out. Check the levels. Make sure it was that one.
That should look like a little bit.
It does.
Yeah.
Just clean it real quick and check it.
What do you mean check it?
Like make sure it's the right one. Cause that's a little bit of oil. That wasn't like some other type of. It doesn't.
Oh, like it?
This thing doesn't have like.
I mean, it's the right color, right?
What?
I think it was just bone dry because I would ride it a lot.
Oh.
I wouldn't really change the oil too much. I mean, it still feels good. It feels slippery still.
Mm-hmm.
It must have been low. No, you just put more oil.
Well, just put it. The oil filter.
Yeah. I'll let it drain a little bit more. We could change out the filter. It's gonna be these little ones.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to grab the rest of the tools. Those. They're too small. They might be like an 8 or something.
Yeah.
Or maybe a 10. It's not a 10? Here, use this.
No, it's like an 8 maybe. You don't have an 8? Check what I got in there.
You're gonna need an adapter though. You have an adapter?
I have little.
This?
Yeah, I have a little.
It's not on. Just try to put it back.
Yep.
It's hitting that little footrest.
Oh, that's why.
That's why.
Yeah. Like, damn, this shit is hard. Like a damn breaker bar.
Well, it's pretty small too. That little ratchet.
I want to break it.
You got it?
Yeah. We need a bigger oil pan. I don't like this one. When I change my truck, it like barely clears it.
Oh yeah.
I always make a little mess.
Or just like you could always just raise your truck a little bit, like drive it over like a 2x4 or something.
Shit. That damn nail.
Damn.
It ripped the glove.
Damn.
Damn, I think I freaking stabbed my nail.
Damn.
There's no reason for these to be that damn tight.
Well, we'll see right now.
I don't think I ever changed this one. It's a good thing I'm
Dang.
changing it.
You might have to hit it with the hammer or something. Oh, there it is.
Check it out.
Kind of dirty.
Doesn't look too bad. Wanna hand me the other one?
Where's it at?
It should be right there in the box.
It's the same color as the one on the one that fell, or no?
No.
Huh?
Oh, it does have a gasket. What the hell? They look different. Oh shit. Alright, so
And this little the little thing fell.
the gasket goes on this thing right here, and then the filter goes the blank side without the hole in first. You want to show how it goes? The filter?
This?
No, the filter, just so they could see how it goes in.
You said like that, right?
Yeah, like that. Yep.
Just cleaning it a little bit.
Right there. Oh shit.
A little spring.
It's pretty simple.
Try to hold it up a little bit. Probably better to use
Fresh oil.
fresh oil. Do the job.
It should be alright. I'm hoping the neighbor doesn't come out.
Where's the filter? You said this way, right?
Yeah,
where's
the spring.
spring? Damn.
Does it sit in there?
It was earlier.
Yeah, maybe the other way.
And we just got up.
I don't remember which way that one goes. I think it's the other way. Yeah, like that. Yeah, there you go.
Oh yes, like that.
I'll just bolt it in. It should be 1.7 quarts. Oh, hold on.
Too low, not too
Put a
high.
little bit more than half. I will check it out. Some more.
I think like right there. We'll just check it. Let's see how it looks. Oh, it might be. Oh, I can't tell.
Maybe just screw this one in. Well, full or what?
Let's see. We'll see. There goes bad.
Oh, he fixed this.
Oh yeah?
It'll
What do you
fall
guys
off
do?
the
Weld
mud.
it or what?
With the
Keep
screw,
it like
you
a
didn't even
screw, yeah?
screw.
Because it would come off, huh?
It won't come off no more.
Let's see
It still it like rubs a little bit, but
let's
if
see
it
if it
gets
won't
another
come off though,
bolt,
because the kicks are hella strong. The ones are,
I don't know.
because they're strong kicks. They're not like little weak kicks.
Yeah, you gotta kick it hella
You
hard.
gotta kick it hard.
Or Gustavo when he kicks, I'm gay.
You gotta like cycle the gas.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, let's pump it.
I don't know anything about these bikes.
I put the, it's like the choke up. You gotta put the choke up. of that exhaust is stock.